friends, this is Alina, and today I would like to share with you a very special and simple card. This is a wedding card. First of all, I prepare my card base, which is 4 by 8 inches, so my card will be 4 by 4. I score my card base in the middle. I use a pearlescent white cardstock. I choose a sentiment which I like most. And I stamp my sentiment on my card base. Then I prepare a piece of white cardstock, not pearlescent, just plain white, 4 by 4, and I make a window in the middle of this piece with my everywhere punch system from Fiskars. I use a circle cartridge for this. Now we can see our sentiment in our window. I choose from 2 die cuts, one intricate design, very beautiful one, and glue it near my window. When I embellish everything with Mark Stewart small pearlescent dots embellishments, I put several of them on my wine die and some more randomly around. I don't want them look too symmetrical or too systemic. Now, then this part is ready, I use dimensional tape, put pieces of it on each 4 corners of my top layer and fix it on my card base. This is basically it. I put stamp with my name in the back of the card. And I prepare this vellum envelope using my silhouette die cutting machine, and I just bend flops of this very intricate envelope. Here you can see result. I put my card in the envelope and I use a piece of white and silver ribbon to put everything together and put a small ball on top of it. That's all. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, leave me a comment. Bye!